For our quick signs today, how would you sign if you are in pain? So if you're in pain, for example, you have a toothache, you would sign like this. So it's like you're twisting your two pointer fingers and telling that it's aching. So for example, it's you have a toothache or your headache, or maybe you have a sore throat. But how do you sign in Korean Sign Language? So pain in Korean Sign Language is in Korean is apoda, and you would sign like this. So example, you have a toothache or your headache or your sore throat. So American Sign Language, pain, or it's hurting, it's painful. Korean Sign Language, apoda. Take care and see you in the next video.
Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.